Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's She's Your Fave, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. I'm wearing BGMgirl hair, and they went ahead and sent me this 26-inch water wave lace closure wear and go HD unit, and I'm loving the pattern. In the beginning, you're gonna be able to see how easy it is, how quick it is to just have this hair laying very flat, nice and snug, and fitting to your head. And if you are a beginner, this is a beginner's dream. I'll have a whole bunch of discount codes and links to this direct wig from their website, so don't forget to stay tuned while I do this quick and easy glueless install from BGMgirl hair. this gorgeous unit is from BGMgirl Hair. They went ahead and sent me their wear and go unit, and it is a closure wig unit. I'm loving this install. It is 180 density and 26 inches. This hair came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-parted, so it is a beginner's dream. I literally could do this with my eyes closed. Maybe, more than likely I could. You don't have to have baby hairs on this, and as I said before, it came pre-plucked, so it's giving a very natural hairline, which is what I love about BGMgirl wigs, especially these wear and go wigs. They are so easy to install. It literally takes nothing, and just beginner's knowledge would allow you to install this wig very much seamlessly. And this was a glueless install. I didn't have to do much, so all in all, this was a super quick install as well. I'm living for the curl pattern. It is their water wave texture, and as you guys may know or may not, this is one of the easiest textures to maintain. I'm so happy this hair dried down so easily, and this time around I did not use my diffuser, and it dried pretty quick, and it still has the same, you know, texture as how it was when it first came, which is something I love. It was easily defined. I'm literally having no type of problems where any of the aspect of the wig is concerned. It's really nice and snug. It's glueless. It fits my head very well, and it can be adjusted. There's a band inside, and it can be adjusted to any head size. It's really nice and flat, and this cap has a whole bunch of stretch, and it is super snug, so it can fit up to probably a very big head or a bigger head than mine. And that is something I love about these units. They just come pretty much adaptable to any head size, and I love that. So don't forget to go ahead and check the links out in my description box, and this is definitely one of the wigs you should be having on your list because it's just super easy and super comfortable. So don't forget to go ahead and check out the description box, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babe.